I believe we all can mutually agree to the fact that the always on display on the new iPhone 14 Pro models is underwhelming. So watch this video to make your iPhone 14's always on display go from this to this. So the process is fairly simple. So we'll be using a custom focus mode in order to achieve the look and feel that we are aiming for. But before getting started, make sure you have turned on the always on display in the settings. And you can do that by going into settings, display and brightness, scroll down to the bottom, and now make sure that the toggle for always on display is turned on. Now just go into settings, focus, select the focus mode that you use quite often. If not, then create a new focus mode and give it a proper name and set it up according to your preference. Now after a new focus mode is created, tap on options under allowed notifications, and in case you're not seeing this option, then just go inside people, allow notifications from, tap on next and choose a desired option. In this case, I'll select everybody. Then tap on done. Now you'll see a new button for options. Tap on it and toggle on for dim lock screen. Now switch to the focus mode that you just created and press the sleep or wake button. And notice how enhanced this version of always on display looks. Now one thing to keep in mind over here is that since you're using a custom method to enhance the always on display, the wallpaper will be a little dimmed out. Yeah, that's the only disadvantage of using this method. Talking about advantages, it will surely save you hell amount of battery. You can use same methods on iPhone 12 series and iPhone 13 series to save some battery on these devices on the lock screen. But since these devices does not have always on display, so you won't be getting this AOD thing, but yeah, you'll be definitely be able to save some battery on these devices. So that is it for this one. Do let me know what are your thoughts about activating this custom method of always on display on your iPhone 14 Pro devices. If you liked what you watched, then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and make sure to download the iGeeks blog app from the App Store to stay updated with everything Apple. This is me here signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.